Have you ever wondered how far artificial intelligence has come? Well, prepare to be amazed because Google's latest release, Gemini 2.5, is taking the AI world by storm, and it's doing so with unprecedented power and accuracy. So what makes this update so exciting, and why is it outshining its competitors? If you're curious about how Gemini 2.5 is not only setting new records, but also changing the game for AI technology, this video is for you. The rise of Gemini 2.5, the smartest AI yet. Google's latest release, Gemini 2.5, isn't just another AI update, it's a major leap forward. Dubbed the smartest model yet, Gemini 2.5 is designed to push the boundaries of what AI can achieve, and it's already showing signs of its groundbreaking potential. In fact, users are now building web apps with Gemini 2.5 from just a single-line prompt, a capability that previously seemed far-fetched. Whether it's generating complex code, crafting creative content, or solving intricate problems, this model excels in ways its predecessors couldn't. With its impressive record-breaking performance on the Arena leaderboard, it has left models like GPT 4.5 and Grok 3 trailing far behind. This leap isn't just incremental, it's revolutionary. The speed and efficiency it brings to the table are a glimpse into the future of AI, and it's only getting started. A game changer in AI. Google's journey with AI has always been marked by bold steps forward, but with Gemini 2.5, they've truly set the bar at a whole new level. The core idea behind Gemini 2.5 is to make complex reasoning and advanced problem-solving more accessible and practical for everyday use. What sets Gemini 2.5 apart is its use of advanced thinking models that allow it to reason before responding, a first for AI. But it doesn't stop there. Gemini 2.5 takes this reasoning capability a step further, incorporating these features across every aspect of the model's functionality. Google has confirmed that this will be a permanent feature in future Gemini models, ensuring that AI will continue to grow more context-aware and capable in handling even the most challenging tasks. In addition to that, the model's ability to understand complex requests and follow intricate instructions places it far ahead of the competition. For example, when users tested it on pattern recognition tasks, Gemini 2.5 consistently outperformed older models like Grok 3 and Claude 3.7 by completing tasks in a fraction of the time. This isn't just a leap in AI, this is a revolution in how we think about machine learning and its application in real-world problems. Performance that leaves the competition in the dust. The performance of Gemini 2.5 has been described as unmatched across multiple categories, from math and science to creative writing and complex conversations. It doesn't just lead the pack, it dominates. The model's ability to handle longer queries and complex instructions has earned it top marks in areas where previous models would often stumble. For instance, Gemini 2.5's handling of math benchmarks like AIM 2025 is unparalleled. Its ability to tackle challenging science and reasoning problems has set a new benchmark for other models. Compared to GPT 4.5, Claude 3.7, and Grok 3, the gap is not just wide, it's huge. One standout feature of Gemini 2.5 is its proficiency with multi-turn conversations. Unlike other models that may lose track of context over multiple exchanges, Gemini 2.5 maintains long-term context, making it ideal for applications like customer support, complicated project discussions, or even creative brainstorming sessions. And the best part, users on forums like Reddit have shared how this model is able to provide instant solutions in areas like coding and problem solving, where previous models would require more time to adjust to new inputs. A million tokens and multimodal magic. Perhaps one of the most exciting features of Gemini 2.5 is its massive context window boasting an impressive 1 million tokens. What does this mean for you? A token is essentially a chunk of data or information, and a 1 million token context window allows Gemini 2.5 to process incredibly large chunks of text. This allows for more detailed, nuanced answers and the ability to handle complex queries involving vast amounts of data. Google has also announced that they plan to increase this context window to 2 million tokens soon, further enhancing Gemini 2.5's capabilities. On top of that, Gemini 2.5 is multimodal, meaning it can process text, images, audio, video, and even code in a single query. In practical terms, this means you can upload an image, Ask Gemini to analyze a block of text, play an audio file, and generate a segment of code all in one seamless workflow. This integration of multiple data types allows users to execute complex tasks without the need to switch between different tools or platforms. For developers, this is a game changer. You no longer need to use separate programs for each element of a project, reducing time spent switching contexts and increasing productivity. Advanced reasoning and math, the new frontier. Gemini 2.5 has shown exceptional promise in areas like advanced reasoning and math. Its performance on the humanities last exam, a dataset designed to test the boundaries of human knowledge, was remarkable. While it scored 18.8%, which may not seem like much in absolute terms, within the realm of AI, this score represents cutting-edge performance. This demonstrates just how far Gemini 2.5 can go when it comes to understanding complex, technical subjects that require more than just basic knowledge. For math lovers, Gemini 2.5 is breaking boundaries with its performance in math-related tests. Not only is it excelling in elementary math, but it's also solving problems that require abstract thinking and logical reasoning, all while keeping up with the complex algorithms required by modern AI. Whether you're working in fields like engineering, data science, or finance, Gemini 2.5 is showing that AI can handle sophisticated reasoning tasks that were once beyond the reach of traditional models. Is Gemini 2.5 perfect? Of course, no technology is without its flaws, and Gemini 2.5 is no exception. Some users have pointed out occasional errors in its responses, especially during the first attempt at solving a problem. However, as seen with many advanced AI models, these issues are often addressed by refining the input prompts or giving the model a second or third try. It's clear that while Gemini 2.5 isn't flawless, it's still one of the most advanced AI models available. It handles large-scale problems with ease, and its ability to refine and adjust based on feedback is a critical aspect of its overall functionality. This boost in performance can largely be attributed to Google's custom-built TPUs. These tensor processing units enable Google to train massive AI models with incredible speed and efficiency, making it possible for users to access advanced features like the 1 million token context window at little to no cost. While there may be occasional hiccups in some regions, Google is continuously improving its infrastructure, ensuring that Gemini 2.5's performance remains top-notch across the board. Future plans and pricing. Looking ahead, Gemini 2.5 is gearing up for enterprise and production-level use with a potential pricing structure that's still in the works. Google has hinted at offering higher rate limits for users with larger-scale projects, as well as expanding access through platforms like Vertex AI. This will make it possible for enterprises to integrate Gemini 2.5 into their operations, taking full advantage of its enhanced capabilities. For now, you can experiment with the Pro Experimental model for free through AI Studio or in the Gemini app, assuming you're an advanced user. But Google is already rolling out upgraded features for users who are eager to take advantage of Gemini 2.5's full potential. It's clear that this model is geared towards serious developers and businesses who want to push the boundaries of what AI can do. The AI race heats up. As Google continues to lead with Gemini 2.5, the competition is also making bold moves. OpenAI's recent advancements with GPT 4.0 are shifting the conversation toward even more advanced image generation. The new features, which focus on creative control and increased flexibility, have the potential to open up new possibilities in areas like character design, branding, and visual storytelling. In the race to dominate the future of AI, both Google and OpenAI are pushing each other to innovate at an unprecedented pace. This competition benefits all of us as AI technology continues to evolve and reshape industries across the board. The question now is, which company will stay ahead as we move toward an even smarter, more powerful AI future? And that's a wrap on our deep dive into Google Gemini 2.5, the AI that's changing the game.